What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Bruno Mars Treasure. I'm doing a revamp on this old video that I did like 4 years ago. Okay, cool. Standard tuning, Cape 3. 1, 2, 3. Great. So let's see, we don't have any bar chords. We got this F major. Let's play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like this F, but with a fifth in the bass. D minor shape. 1, 2, 3. E minor. 1, 2. A minor. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. E minor 2. That's the basic of the song. And we got some other stuff going on. From the F, I'm playing. I'm grabbing that note. That's 2 on the D string to the D. And then from D back to a quick F. E minor. Let's check that out. 3, 4. And with strumming, it would be. This cool slash chord. So grab this F. 1, 2, 3. Starting on the B string. 1, 2, 3. And actually the third finger, switch that with let's see, how do I do this? Yeah, switch that with the pinky. And you want to grab 3rd fret on the low E string. So that's the bass. Mute the A string with the 3rd finger. That's how the song starts. Alright, and that comes always after every chorus. Before the chorus. Cool. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this is the last time I had to do this song. Yep. Cool. See you tomorrow. Be safe.